Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So as you see, guys, here that the weekly chart, as you see it here, and that the weekly candle, it's left for it 9 hours to finish. So what it indicating to us here, it zoom it a little bit like that for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What you see in here, that weekly candle here, it tried to give us here a pin bar in a very stronger zone as we said it before. So let's hop in now from here. It's going to come another candle like that to push and to break for us the 200 moving average here. If it doesn't, us we're still waiting. I'm talking here about long-term investors. And here down, look with me very close, guys. What you seeing down here, what the volume doing here, look at it. The volume is indicating big red spike here. So here in the weekly, the only ones who spike, because if you remember what else we doing last time, we just came here to that zone like that and we're drawing a line like that. So now which one's the spiking, guys? Look, that one, the red, here the red, and here the red. So the sellers here, they still controlling for long term. There is no buyers yet. So you need to make a close eye at those things me I'm telling you. And I tell it to you before. I tell you, look here what the market giving you. Look here, here, and here. It's still giving you here a lower low. As you see it low here, another low here, and now it give you here another low, guys. So what that's indicating, guys? Indicating that also we're still in a downtrend, guys. There is nothing was changed. And me, I tell it to you, I told you it need to break for you the 200 moving average. If it doesn't, don't enter, guys. If it doesn't, don't enter. Remember my word, because that 200 moving average, that one, it's been reacting for long term as a very stronger support. And now when it's getting broke here, now it's reacting like a very stronger resistance. As you see, the market came back to it, then it fell down. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the daily to show you more about the daily. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel. Every time and every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefit from all those things free, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel, so like that you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, because I know YouTube is taking some time to send you the notification when it came to cryptocurrency trading. So you can even join our Telegram channel, like that you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, guys. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment, guys. Go to it and join it. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Here we are, guys, in the daily Bitcoin chart, and here what you're seeing, guys. Look with me, that zone here, it's still reacting very stronger, yes or no? And here what the chart here giving us here. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. What me I told you about those candles here, if you remember that one and that 3 candles here, I told you that is a very well-known pattern called the hangman. And what else I told you here? I told you, look with me here and here, what that indicating to you guys is an inside bar or a pregnant woman bar, or names doesn't matter, my friend. The most important to know how to trade them. And here the same thing, I tell it to you here, look at it. It's still there. Now either to break up, then to go high, or to come down and to break lower and to go low, guys. Should you enter long now, guys? I want a reply down in the comment, my friend. Go now to the comment and write for us your reply. Should you go long or not yet? Me personally, guys, I still thinking is not yet, because look at it. Look here what you got, guys. Here what you got. To make it like that, what you got, guys, is like a small wage, yes or no? It touched for you the lower of it here in that zone, as you see it. Then he go back up, but he couldn't go to the higher one, to here. So it's still going, I think, lower more, guys, yes or no? And here that one, actually, when we go into lower time frames, I'm going to show it to you. You got here another wage, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let me show you my chart, what I got for the picture to be more clear to you guys. In my chart, when I show you my chart, everything it look very clear here, guys. Look, the upper of the channel here, it touched there. It couldn't break. Then he's going back down to the down of the channel, guys. The down of the channel, I got it at 12K. And what we got here, let's zoom it a little bit like that, for you to see more picture more clear. That white one here is the long-term trend, guys. It's being broke and the market is still going down. Here, that yellow level here, when it's being broken, it's still reacting like a very stronger resistance, guys. As you see, the market, every time he came to it by a candle, he pushed down. And that candle which is going now, what it's indicating to you guys, is going to indicate to you another hangman, guys, or a morning star or a evening star, but it's need another candle to come next to it here, green like that, to indicating for you the market will going up. Everything is too clear, guys. And me, I tell it to you, I tell you, Saturday and Sunday there is no volume, so that's why you see those things happening those 2 days. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. If you smash the like button, my friend, go ahead and smashing the like button, helping us growing up more that channel, guys. If you done it, my friend, please write with you a comment to help us to growing up more, to tell that YouTube also existing here, helping us, guys. You see our channel is very small and the growing up of that channel, it doesn't growing up fast, to helping us, guys. And thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So let's go in now to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, when it touched for us here, he give us like that. And me, I tell it to you before, maybe that one here is going to be like here, but it's not. So that one here, now what it's indicating to you is going to be like here or here. Now what that one is need to do, it's need to come up to give you 3, guys, like that. Then after that it's going to drop. Now what it done for you, it give you in the top 1 and it give you down 1. Now it's need to still give you 2 in the top, like that and like that. Then after that it's going to drop, guys. Make a close eye those things, me, I'm telling you. So now what the market doing right now, you still in the control of the bears, guys. There is no bulls yet in the market. There is no one is buying yet. Everyone is selling now. Only sellers will controlling market, guys. Remember my word, that a warrant to you. Don't buy, guys. Forget about what the others they telling you. I know some of people they telling you buy blah blah blah. Not yet, guys. Here into a daily, the chart is very clear here. What controlling the market is the bears, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our other indicator, guys, what you see in here. I show you that one before. Here and here. You got a divergence. And even if you came here to like that and like that, guys, you got another divergence here. Should you enter? Not yet, guys. Not yet. It's still very, very, very early for you to enter long, guys. It's need that one to come to break for you that trend line here. The market to come and to break here. Then you enter long. If it doesn't, don't enter, because as us we said it every time, what we said about that indicator of us, that one. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in the channel, his name, how to make $100 a day. Go to that in the video, in the description of that video, you're going to find the source code of that indicator, download it and install it in your trading view, guys. So what we said also about that indicator, guys, we said it need to be in the oversold. The price is it in a very stronger level. Both of them, it's meet up, you got them. The third things, what is it, guys? You need a price action. Where is the price action here? Is that one. You got a wage, guys. Yes or no? Can even draw it from here. Did it breaking for you the high of that wage or the triangle? Not yet, guys. It's still early. Not the only price action is it there, guys. It's need to come to break for us here. If it's breaking for us here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing in the 4 hours, guys, today. So let's go into the 4 hours. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And here in the 4 hours, what did I told you me before? If you've been with us, helping us, guys, smashing the like button. And thank you very much if you done it, my friend. What I told you here in the 4 hours. Look at it. What I told you here. You got a very stronger wage, guys. Yes or no? And as you see it, every time he came next to it, then he started falling. Did it breaking for you high? I told you if it's break for you here, enter long. And I'm going to tell you why. And what you got here, that one actually in 30 minutes is very clear. I tell it to you. What the market giving you here. Look at it. I told you if you're using the Bollinger Band, now you're going to find it doing like that. It give you like a neck bottle here. What that meant? That meant the volatility is getting smaller and smaller. What that meant? There is a big portion is coming, guys. There is a big volume is coming either up or down. Remember my word, guys. I tell you that to you in the last video, guys, but it's okay to repeat it because I know some people they just came here. Now if it's breaking for you here up, enter long, guys. If the chart of the Bitcoin came and breaking for you that trend line here, That one. Enter long, guys. Take profit. I'll show you where to take it. I told you here in that zone. Everything is too clear, guys. Let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, guys, that my chart. As you see, that the level may I tell you here, because is likelihood the Bitcoin is going to go till here, till that zone. Then after that, maybe it's going to fall down to touch for us lower, guys. There is a correction is coming, guys. Remember my word. There is a correction is going to come till here, maybe till 20k. Then after that, we're going to drop till 17k, guys. Because tomorrow is Monday, guys. And Monday, every time the market do it like that. So you, if it came and breaking that one, as you see it, came breaking here, that level here at 19,462, you enter long till here, guys, till that level of 2700, guys. Then from there it's going to drop to 17k, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You get the picture. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. What it's saying here. He came here to that zone, but he couldn't break it. Why? Because the sellers, they're still powerful, guys. And what it's indicating to you here. Look at it. It's falling down, guys. And what it's giving you here, like a channel, guys, or like a flag or something like that. And also here, what we used to have here, we used to have here, like a trend line, guys. What that trend line indicating to you here in that candle which is going now, it's being broken, guys. So now what the market is going to do, I told you, it's going to fall down maybe to here, maybe, or maybe from here it's going to go like that and to break for us that zone here, and then it's going to come off from the control of the bears to the control of the bulls, guys. Here both of them, they are equal, guys. Everything is too clear, and I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes and the weekly candle finishes to give you a very clear picture about the market, what is going to do all the whole week, guys. So to get all those things is very simple, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, or you can even join our Telegram channel. So when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here, our other indicator, guys. What did I told you here about that indicator? I told you it's at the oversold area, and I told you you are in a very stronger level. That the two things, guys. The third one, what is it? Price action. What is it here? Look at it. That wage, guys. If it's breaking for you here, enter long, guys. Remember my word. I told you where to take the profit, guys, because of that one. Because here you got a level, guys. Yes or no? Here at 21k. So make a close eye at those things. And here our indicator, what is giving you, guys. Look at it here. If you came here like that and you're drawing a line like that and like that, what are you seeing? Is a divergence, guys. Yes or no? I told you it's coming here. A correction to up. So make a close eye at those things, guys. In the daily, it give you a divergence. Here in the 4 hours, there is a divergence. So you need to make a close eye what me I'm telling you, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, what did I told you here? We got here. What did I told you? We got. Look at that. Very clear here. It's a wedge, guys. Or a triangle. Yes or no? It came up, it touched here the top of it. Now it's going to touch the lower of it here. Yes or no? And what did I told you here? Here, what did I told you, guys? You got a very stronger level, guys. Actually, I show it to you in the 4 hours, that one. I told you like that. And like that, guys. What did I told you? How many times it's smudging the top? 1, 2, 3. And here the 4th. Down how many? 1, 2. And here 3. Yes or no? Now it's going down to smudge the 4th one, guys. Then we're going to see where it's going to break the 5th one. Me, I think it's going to break the 5th one up here. But let's wait and what's going to market to break for us, because the week is going to start today, guys. So when the weekly candle finishes, I'm going to come to you and to update you what the market doing. So it's very simple to get our analysis, guys, because also we put in every day 2 videos, guys. So like that, you're going to be very notified about the market, what it's doing. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. So as I told you, we need to wait in the 5th smudge where it's going to break, guys. Everything is too clear. And here in 30 minutes, I'll show you that one. I told you, look at it. It's very clear, guys. Look at it. Very clear here. Now that one is going to smudge the 5th down here. When it's smacking down there, maybe it's going to go up, maybe not. who's going to tell us where it's going to go is our indicator, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear. Our indicator, guys, as you see it came here, it's become a little bit green and now it's going down. So there is no buying, no selling yet. We are in the middle now. It needs to become here at the oversold or at the overbought. Is it nowhere now? There is no buying, no selling now. And also we tell you to buy from here. We tell you to buy from here. We tell you to buy from here. All those times we tell it to you. And what did I told you in the last video, guys? Here, when we are here in that zone, what did I told you, guys? Let me show it to you. What did I told you here, guys? I told you the market is give you here a flag, guys. Yes or no? Like that. That's what me I told you in the last video. It's breaking up here and it went up a little bit, then it came down. Why? Because there is no big volume, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.